As you probably know, cannabis is an amazing new global industry. The problem is, most people know very little about cannabis at a deep level. And like every other industry, cannabis requires a skilled and educated workforce in order to thrive. That's why we're thrilled to introduce you to the Cannabis Fundamentals certification right here on Green Flower. Delivered through state-of-the-art e-learning technology. Inside, you'll learn everything from the history of cannabis to cannabinoids and terpenes, to proper dosing, to the nuances of the different cannabis delivery methods and products, and so much more. Green Flower certifications are endorsed and utilized by many of the world's leading cannabis companies, brands, and thought leaders. Earning a Green Flower certification will make you exponentially more knowledgeable, hireable, and confident about cannabis today. So enroll today and get started immediately from anywhere in the world. So whether you're brand new to cannabis or you're an industry veteran, register now and we'll see you on the inside.